dim. I miss my LEDs. It's 11:30 at night. See how long it takes for that exhaust to do a full rotation around. So I don't have the exhaust clamp on it right now. I had the sheet metal on it not too long ago, but after clamping down the fender on this side, we found out the hard way when we tried to turn on the lights. It kept blowing fuses left and right. I think we blew through about 12 of them. Come to find out, the wire got pinched and it was shorting straight to the fender, so straighten that back out. Sheet metal's off obviously again, and here we are. She's back in service. Charges, runs, drives, and has lights now versus it never had lights before. I bought it like that, and that's really the only gremlins this thing had was electrical issues, and now those are gone. So really the only thing left that it needs, it actually developed a starter issue while it was in the shop. It's going to need new ring gear put on the flywheel. And it's going to need a starter probably rebuilt. And I think worst comes to worst, it needs a new clutch because I'm actually out of adjustment on my clutch pedal now. So apparently it needs a clutch, 800 hours. Someone's running hard. I think really the only complaint at this rate is that I don't have any lights for the dash panel instruments, and I think I can wire one up because the fleet lines look like they have a little bar that comes off on the top there of the dash. I'm pointing down to where it sits on the top there, and it illuminates the gauges, but I don't have it on there currently. So at this point I'm just testing to see if everything charges and the lights are holding up well. Because tomorrow I'm going to put sheet metal on it, and we're going to run that in the 1850 and probably the 770 up to Shell and fill them up with these the respective fuels that they need. But at any rate, thanks for watching, guys. This is the last video to the series. I kind of forgot to keep up with it, and I was going to record what we were doing step by step, but you know, shit happens. I don't know if my dad wants to be on camera or not either, so I just kind of never recorded any of it. So, but here's the end product. I'll catch you guys later.